In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the dictation feature in Google Slides to take your speaker notes to the next level. Whether you're preparing for an important presentation or just organizing your thoughts, this tool can make the process much smoother and far more efficient. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open up your presentation in Google Slides. If you haven't already prepared your slides, go ahead and create a new presentation or open an existing one from your Google Drive. Now, once inside your presentation, we need to ensure the speaker notes pane is visible beneath the slide. This is crucial because this is where your dictated notes will appear. To make this pane visible, navigate to the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down menu, select Show Speaker Notes. If you see the speaker notes pane already available, you can skip this step. Now, with your presentation and speaker notes ready, the next step is to decide which slide you'd like to dictate notes for. Simply click on it to select. Make sure you have the right slide in focus because this is where your ideas will be captured. Next, let's head over to the Tools menu in the main toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on it and from the drop-down select Dictate Speaker Notes. At this point, you'll notice a microphone icon will appear on your screen. This icon is your gateway to voice dictation. Click on the microphone to activate it and start dictating. It's important to speak clearly and at a moderate pace. This will help ensure that the transcription is accurate and reflects exactly what you intended. As you speak, your words will appear in the notes pane below the corresponding slide. This feature is particularly useful if you have a lot of thoughts to jot down and want to keep your hands free. Once you've finished dictating your speaker notes for that slide, simply click the microphone icon again to stop the dictation. This will conclude the voice input session, and you'll have your notes ready and transcribed. Checking over the transcription to correct any possible errors is always a good idea since even the best technology isn't perfect yet. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can streamline your note-taking process in Google Slides, ultimately optimizing your preparation time for your presentation. With the power of voice dictation, you can ensure that your notes are precise, comprehensive, and exactly how you want them. Thank you for joining me today, and happy presenting!